with our Reyna ng San Rafael. Alright, your ball. Alright, please pick a word. Read it first. Just so alam niya na totoo yung babasahin tong word for her. Alright? The chosen word is bulaklak.
Flower symbolizes femininity. We can associate it with women who shine bright and who are not afraid to be seen and to be admired. And as I'm given a chance to stand here, I want this to inspire people to believe in themselves like women nowadays, to be the women of the future, because this is my commitment.
Thank you so much. Let's proceed with Reyna ng Hagonoy. Beautiful. Can you just educate me? Ano ba ang tama? Hagonoy, Hagunoy.
Hagonoy po siya. Pero ngayon po, Hagonoy.
Hagonoy. Okay, pick a word, please. I want you to read it. Pero let me officially announce it. She picked the word liwanag.
Liwanag. Ang liwanag ay katulad ng Tingkaban Festival na ito na ipinagdiriwang natin. Dahil ang liwanag ang nagsisilbing alaala at kasi dahil ito ay pamana ng ating kagitingan at kasaysayan ng Bulacan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Salamat din sa iyo. Reyna ng Norzaneray. Believe me, all of them are beautiful. Please pick a word. Do you like your word? And I guess you have no choice. The word is pamana.
Naniniwala po ako na ang pamana ay hindi lang natutukoy sa material na bagay, kundi ito ay isang aral na napupulot, aral na nakukuha natin sa ating mga ninuno. Tulad ng mga nakukuha nating aral o pamana dito sa lalawigan ng Bulacan. Kaya naman ako po ay naniniwala na ang Bulacan ay hindi lamang isang destinasyon, kundi isang lalawigan na puno ng kasaysayan. Dapat talagang balik-balikan. Maraming salamat po.
Santa Maria. Ganda to be. Please pick a word. Okay. O anong masasabi mo sa sumigaw? Okay. Ang iyong salita ay lakbay.
I am reminded of the glamorous cultural heritage here in our province. I believe that we have so much places that we can offer to the whole country and to the whole world. And we really have natural gems, delicious cuisines, and of course our people that we endorse to each and everybody. And I believe that this is what really makes Bulacan babalik-balikan. Maraming salamat.
Please join me, Reyna ng Paumbo. Looking very confident tonight. Beautiful Morena.
kasuntian ay hindi lamang isang anyo ng kagandahan. Dahil ito ay sumasagisag din sa napakagandang kulay, kagaya na lamang ng Singkaban Festival, na kung saan unti-unti nating minamahal at binabalik-balikan ang mga kultura, kasaysayan at turismo na siyang nagiging dahilan kung bakit ang Bulacan ay
Hulaan din din. Babalik-balikan. Tama. Okay. Salamat sa iyo. There you go. Reyna ng Plaridel. Balik na natin. Okay.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Good evening.
Evening to you as well. Please take a word. Take a peek. All right. Your word is buhay.
As Bulacanos, we live as the purpose of our own lives. And I do believe that as individuals, we live in the most colorful possible way. And I do believe that even though we have insurmountable challenges that we face in everyday lives, but as long as we are resilient, we can use it as a pivotal key in order to have a much more progressive, much more prosperous Bulacan than ever before in the Philippines history. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jennifer. Reyna ng Baliwag. Please. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Take a word, please. Ang iyong salita ay dangal.
Bilang isang kandidata ng Reyna ng Singkaban ngayong taon, napakalaking dangal po para sa akin na irepresenta ang aking bayan, ang lalawigan ng Baliwag, kung saan makikita natin na ang Baliwag ay isang progresibong lalawigan na pwedeng puntahan ng bawat turista na talagang ipagmamalaki mo sa Bulacan. Dahil ang Bulacan ay hindi lang destinasyon. Ito ang soul. This is the soul and the journey up to the destination. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. That was Baliwag. Join me now. First time I'm seeing you up close. You're very beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Please take a word. If only that will fit. He. Okay. Ang ganyan pong nabunod na kataga ay araw.
Ang araw ay sumasagisap sa panibagong mundo, sa panibagong araw. And I believe that it is important that we see each and every day with a bright smile. Dahil naniniwala ako na ito ang magiging pag-asa natin to make Bulacan a better and brighter future for each and everyone. And I believe that this is my moral responsibility na maging araw ninyo. Dahil I want to make Bulacan united and stronger. Thank you.
The best.
Salamat sa iyo. Ano pa?
The best answer.
Kaya naman tawagin natin ang Reyna ng Malolos.
Talino.
Parang they never seem to run out of beautiful women here in Bulacan. Malolos is very beautiful as well.
Thank you so much.
Please, take a word. Okay,
Wow. Nice.
word you picked is saya.
Happiness comes with true emotions. And I believe that a true Bulacania shows happiness through celebrating this Singkaban Festival, because I believe we are showcasing our culture, heritage, and arts of our Bulacan. And I believe because of that, the happiness of the tourists of the other countries or other people in the Philippines comes with the happiness that
ulit. Nakakangawit ba tumayo?
At first, kinakabahan. Nung tinawag ako ng top 10, I'm so grateful because hindi lahat ng opportunity is nakakapasok sa top 10. That's why I'm so grateful. And thank you so much sa mga judges. And this is so much a blessing. Yes.
Please, take a word. Marilao. Okay. Ang iyong salita ay musika.
Music identify as when we heard a music. But as a work student, I believe that combining school and work is really hard, and I believe that every youth is so much to offer.
Thank you so much. That was our final Reyna ng Marilao. As you've heard